today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to change a form name in Zoho Creator. This is a simple adjustment, but it can make your entire application feel more organized, especially if you're correcting a typo or making the form easier for your team to recognize. Start by opening Zoho Creator and landing on the main dashboard. You'll see several sections like applications, microservices, environments, and more. But for this task, stay focused on the applications area on the left side. Click on applications and you'll see a list of apps connected to your account. Choose the application that contains the form you want to rename. Once the application opens, look to the left panel for the Forms section. Here, you'll find all the forms inside your app. Click the form you want to update and it will open the form editor. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the Properties panel, which contains all the customization options for the selected form. Inside this Properties area is the field where the current form name is displayed. Click into that field and type your new name. Choose something clear and descriptive so your teammates immediately understand the purpose of the form when they are navigating the app. After you enter the new name, make sure to save your changes. This ensures the updated form name syncs across the app for every user and appears correctly wherever the form is used. And that's all it takes. You've successfully changed the form name in Zoho Creator. It's a quick update, but it helps keep your workspace clean, intuitive, and easier for your entire team to work with. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more easy Zoho Creator guides.